Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 6. This module, we're going to be talking about symptoms and conditions, maybe some symptoms that some of you have been feeling lately. I know everyone's had some of those winter illnesses. It kind of jumps around with the readings, and there's also articles because we have a discussion board this week, and there are some other articles or some other materials that explain the verbs, like the difference between ser and estar. There's also a video to explain the difference between ser and estar. So make sure you go through everything. There's kind of a lot this week. Also, here we have information about an upcoming assignment, which is the field-specific project. So the field-specific project is due in Module 8. I actually don't want you to start working on it right now because we have a lot to do in Module 6 first, and you're going to have more time in Module 7 and 8 basically just to work on that. But the reason I'm putting it here now, just so you can see what it is that it's an interview assignment and you need to find somebody to interview. You basically need to find someone in your field, or the field that you want to get into, and you're going to interview them, asking them, what do they do when someone comes into their hospital, doctor's office, whatever, that doesn't speak English? Like, how do they deal with patients that don't speak English? Do they have translators? Do they have, note cards, like flashcards with important words on them? Like, what's their strategies? What are their strategies? And then you're going to have a list of vocabulary words that relate to that field specifically. So make sure you read the information. Again, I don't want you to actually start working on it, but you just want to think about it so you can find someone to interview and don't get to week 8 and don't have anybody. The timeline should be like this week, start to reach out to people to find someone. Week 7, set up your actual interview date, and week 8, do the interview and actually write the paper for the project. Okay, so again, that's just thinking ahead. For this actual week, we got to do the homework packet like always, the speaking assignment like always. You're going to answer those questions pretending you're sick. There's discussion boards, so make sure you get your initial post in by Wednesday, and then the quiz like always. Okay, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto. See you soon.